Hi, this is Don Korash, meteorologist here at AccuWeather Enterprise Solutions, and we are introducing SkyGuard Mobile, a revolutionary solution that changes the way your organization operates before, during, and after severe weather events. When the pressure's on, SkyGuard Mobile delivers. It gives you the ability to see your location, radar, real-time lightning strikes. The SkyGuard warnings are pushed to your device. You have the ability to click procedures, and these are procedures from your SOPs, your standard operating procedures that you can copy and paste and put right into the application. So no more what do I do now moments when a warning is received. You have specific procedures for lightning, for tornado, for high winds. All of that information is right there on the phone, integrated into the device, and everybody's working on the same common operating picture. So call us for a demo of SkyGuard Mobile. Hope to see you at the upcoming ASIS trade show, booth number 2346.